Hi friends, welcome to Tech Arkit YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to see that one of the question or the requirement I got in a real time, like how I can do the set replace, right? What you can do is that match the required expression, the regular expression, and replace the content. So what is my requirement here is that example, if I go to slash etc slash shadow file here, so I have there are so many users in actually production, but here I'm just giving some example there that okay, I already have so many users here. So out of this I wanted to dump this shadow file to somewhere else. Then after dumping that, I don't want to give this encrypted password to anybody else. I don't know, so if they can decrypt it and get catch the password from this, so that I would like to provide the shadow file to the auditors to say that these many active accounts I have and these many service accounts I have on my Linux machine. But before that, I wanted to do that, like replace this one. If you take n number of users, like there are here there are two, like 10 or 20, but in real time there are like hundreds of users. um, Top of this, I wanted to replace this only, like this is only the password field. I would like to change it from here to something like hidden or empty, something like that. How can I do that using the SED or AWK or anything? So let's do this. So how you can do that? First of all, understand the pattern how you can do here. So if you get this shadow file and understand that how many fields you have. So you have field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fields you have, which are separated by semicolon here, the sorry colon value here. You can see the colon value has been separating the multiple values, and 9 fields separating with the colon value. So out of this, I have to replace only the where I have the password, not other ones. So which are having the some star and the two exclamation marks. So I don't want to replace them because those are actually does not have any password. So those are actually service account does not have anything there. But I wanted to replace only these two accounts, example for NAV. But in real case, there are hundreds of users. I wanted to replace this field with something hidden or empty or something like that, some word. So how can you do that? So think about it and post the solution on the comment. So I will go ahead and teach you how I did here. Okay, so if I go to the I already typed that this way, so you can see that this is the value where I can actually do this. So if you set -e, and you can just say I'm first of all searching for these two exclamation marks, which is a regular expression. I say that okay, these are the two regular expression pattern where any line matches these two exclamation marks, then exclude them from the replacing. So that's what I said. And again, there is a one star here, so that is also I'm going to replace it here. So why I did this? So if you go cat this file slash etc slash shadow here, and you can see that so there are these exclamation marks wherever the account is disabled or it's not set any password, and wherever there is a star value here which are not set any password here. So what I'm doing this with excluding them from the search list, so replacing list. What I'm doing two exclamation wherever the line contains the two exclamation mark, exclude them. And if this contains star, so you have to escape this character, because if you put star, that takes different meaning on the shell script. So that's why you have to do the escape character and escape it. And again you put the exclamation mark, so that you are excluding that, you are not including that. So you are excluding these two values and star value from these lines. I'm trying to replace, so replacing what? So the grouping into the three groups. So the first group is this one, and second group is this one, and third group is this one. So what I'm grouping here, is that the three groups, the characters in each line do not contain colon values characters. The first group, so the first group is this one. The first group, it matches a non-empty sequence of characters up to the first character. So first character means up to this colon value, like which is a non-empty sequence. So there is non-empty sequence. If over all these lines there is no empty sequence, right? These are all non-empty sequence. So that is matching in that particular group. And the second group here, I'm doing the second group. What I'm doing here is that the second group also matches the non-empty sequence of the characters between the first and second, between the first colon and the second colon. And I'm doing the third group, which is actually the third group matches the any sequence of two or more characters at the end of the line. So example, if this group and this group is missing, then this group will have the two or more characters which are end of that line. Then replacing all of these, like this group sequence, this group sequence, and this group sequence with hidden value here. Okay, so then I set up something like this tree here that is called as an a value, the third capture group, which is this third capture group here, and the global replacement. G means this replace the substitution of global. So not only a single line or single file. So whatever the file you provide, it replaces all of the values which are matching this condition. So this means any sequence, one, two, three sequence, which are matching on this any line, then it is actually replacing the value. So that is the um, set command which I set. So now if you type this value here, you can see that what happens, it is actually replacing the actual password with the hidden value. So that's the a simple way to do that. You can use these character values here. So this is the a simple mechanism. The set is a powerful streamline tool where you can send the streams to the files and modify the file output. So this is basically used for text reporting and text manipulating tool. That is the set one. So I hope this would be very helpful for your remaining parts, like if you get any audit request or something like that. So this is the command where you can use to replace your values, right? So that the password values and send that shadow file to the auditing purpose, so that can be done your job. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel and share videos with your families and friends so that they can also get to know that what it is, and they can also learn along with you.